This tutorial takes this many seconds. Sending a large, lightly insured box to the Philippines will cost you between 110 and 120 US dollars. Such boxes are sent via cargo vessel. To get this price, you must be near the Pacific Ocean, so these regions. Other areas, including Europe, will spend more money. At the end of the video, I will discuss how to send boxes from the eastern half of the United States. Shipping time will be approximately 2 months on the cargo vessel. The two shipping companies I've worked with are Atlas and LBC. With Atlas, you buy a large or macho box. You can buy the equivalent size box wherever you want. Atlas often runs a special that if you send a large or macho box, you get a free junior box. There is no weight limit. Put your really heavy items in the junior box. Fill your boxes with legal items. Recognize that there is limited insurance and expensive goods cannot be shipped. Call Atlas. They will pick up your box for $10. Shipping will be about 90 bucks. I paid 98 and gave the guy $110. I let him keep the rest as a tip. Atlas will replace your boxes for free with new ones. Have I had items stolen? No, but people have claimed items have been stolen. I packed nothing of real value. If you live on the East Coast of the United States, get a friend on the West Coast to pack the box for you. Send the heavy items to your West Coast friend using USPS flat rate boxes. Ship your light items as cheaply as possible. You're an adult. Figure it out. It is really expensive to ship a large box through the Panama Canal, so East Coast cargo is a lot more expensive. I am a software engineer. I wrote software that loaded and unloaded cargo vessels. I wrote software that computed USPS shipping costs and optimized shipping costs.